guys, it's Lauren from Brainy Beauty Reviews, and I am here to reveal to you the #1 vitamin C serum of 2020. Noche Idea Vitamin C Serum absolutely took the cake for this one. This one is so different than everything else on the market that it was hard to ignore that and not make this the #1 vitamin C serum. So first of all, the really important thing that I look at is quality of ingredients in the products that I'm testing, and this one just had it all and checked all of the boxes. So this one is paraben-free, it's cruelty-free. I saw on their website it's vegan-friendly, gluten-free, and then the other thing was palm-free, which I didn't know a lot about. But palm oil production actually causes a lot of deforestation in other continents. And this one is made taking that to account and does not use palm oil like a lot of the other vitamin C serums on the market do. Something else that was really important to me is that this is not a water-based serum. This is actually an oil-based serum, which meant it went onto my skin a lot smoother. It soaked right in, and it was just a much nicer application process overall. The key ingredients in this one were actually ingredients that I knew how to pronounce, which is always phenomenal in skincare when you know what you're putting into your skin. The three main ones were cold-pressed kiwi seed oil, lemon oil, and bitter orange oil. So let me tell you, when you pop this open and squeeze it, it smells amazing. A lot of the other ones smelled extremely medicinal. And spoiler alert, just because it smells medicinal doesn't mean it's going to work medicinal magic for your skin. So this one smelled great, it applied great. I checked this out. This is only $29.95 for 1.02 ounces of this, which is a lot more bang for your buck than you're going to get for any of the other vitamin C serums on the market. And something else that stood out and you guys should always look for when you're testing out new products is that this one has a money-back guarantee for 365 days. Most of your other skincare products you'll get 30 to 90 days with, but this one you could literally try this out for, 2 months, and if you don't see any difference, then call them and have your product returned and refunded. But this one all around, it just checked all of the boxes. So I'm going to show you what an application looks like for this one. I love that it has the pump. So literally you're just going to pump a little bit. I learned that a little bit goes a long way with this one. So that's the other thing. It'll last you forever. Can you see that? I mean, it's just so soft. And then you just put it on and it soaks right into your skin. I mean, it feels amazing. That's the thing. It doesn't feel sticky, doesn't smell bad whatsoever. It's just so different from all of the others on the market. And I don't know if you can see this, but it literally gives you a natural glow after as well, which women love that. I love feeling glowy, I love feeling pretty, and this one definitely hit the mark for that one. So obviously, this one was the #1 of 2020, and I highly suggest you guys check this one out because it is vegan-friendly, gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free. It could work for any woman's skin, honestly, and from all of the reviews that I read, it does. It works for a combination of issues, just like we were talking about any good vitamin C serum should. So check out Noche Idea's Vitamin C Serum. I fully support it, and it is definitely my #1 of 2020.